Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be taking my time to explore with you how to create a simple poster for your conference, training, and any program you actually want to do. I know it is not that very easy for some of us out there to do this, but I'm going to be taking you through step by step guide. This video may be long, and I would like you to watch this video to the end before because I have a trick for you on how to make it very fast. So I'll be right back with all the steps. Welcome back. So let's go to our scoreboard as we start the exploration right away. So the first thing I'm going to do, which is one of the things I like to do, is to actually go online and search for any flyer, just like typing online conference flyer. Then I will now copy the flyer and take it to where I want to work. So the size I will recommend for you based on where you actually want to post it. Sometimes I like to use Instagram, sometimes I like to use Instagram post, sometimes I like to use. Let me just try A4 paper immediately. I think that would be better for today's class. Let me search A4 documents. I think I've searched something like that today. Okay, A4 document, and I'm going to take blank page. They have a lot of posters also. I'm going to show you some of the posters they have, but it is quite very good for you to design your own from the scratch. It is very good for professionalism and not making your design look like everybody's design. It is good for you to do this. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to size this according to, okay, so let me see. Okay, I've observed and I think I can do this. Okay, so let's go to our element and look for frame that pictures can actually enter. So this will serve as my this is something I'm supposed to have actually deleted. No, it's not this. Yes, it's you. So speaker one. I think this needs to be small. Look for the picture of the speakers. Who are my speaker for this event? Let me look for some of my pictures and use one speaker, two speaker. If they are dragging inside, and the last picture. Yes. So the next thing is the picture that I'm going to be my picture standing. Do I have any picture standing? I'm not even sure. Can Canva remove the background of this picture? Let's give Canva a try. If Canva can remove the background of this dull picture, that will be very interesting. Good. So I'm going to be using these my own picture. And with this now, let me delete the then to look for frame. I want to copy and paste this, then bring it inside the frame. Good. If this work like this, that means I can bring it down here. Or let me use the type of circle that was used here that time. Okay, can I manage something like this? I'm not sure. Okay, this is the line I use. This is what I'm looking for. This is the shape I'm looking for. But in the absence of not having that shape, can easily maneuver this. So my picture is not bright enough. Let me so the logo of the organization. I think I use this as my logo all the time. In case it's trying to drag, just use your so let's add title. Let's look for some title here to use. The title is get your money. Your money. Trying to position it to the other side and looking for a nice font to use. Uppercase. And also add some effects to this font. I like to divide my font into two, and it will be good for you to also zoom in. Please try to zoom in. I am now preaching about money now. How to get your money from your debtor. So any other details I had below till here, and I'm fine. So majorly your detail is the major thing. And if all the image are too big, try to adjust those image so that they won't be that big. It is good for you to make sure that the image are also quite small and more details over here. So let's check again the flyer. Okay, close to it, just for us to add all the details. So this is nice, and in case you're also trying to improve on it, you can also search element and search gradients. You can also use gradient circle. Where is this gradient circle? Yeah, this particular one. I've been looking for you also. You are going to be the one to be around my speaker. Yes, instead of using that. 1, 2. So, and the last speaker. I can edit each of them. Okay. So anyhow you feel like you can do that. Let's see how it looks like for now. The effect is getting going gradually. I want to extend this. I like it like this. Let me see any other thing again I can add to it. So this is what I can actually do with the time I have. Let me show you one of my design that you can also see and mimic. Going to my design or you can also use this type of what's it called. If you have not watched the video of how to make the head of the speaker go out of the box, you can go and look for the video on the channel. Okay, this is the poster I'm actually trying to show you. So simple flyer, very easy and straightforward. I use a lot of components over here, and they are easy to get also as templates. Your logo, your topic, and others. So thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. Bye.